Good morning, dear viewers and students of our school. Hello, teacher.
Hi.
How are you today?
Fine.
I have any questions for you. Can you ask me?
Yes, I can.
What opportunities does mastering English give people? Give examples from your own life.
English is one of the main language in the world. Mastering English gives more opportunities for people to study abroad, gives them a chance to get a good job, to travel around in the world. Learning English improves memory and helps to keep the brain in good shape. As I started learning English, I began to understand songs in English better, began to communicate with my son in English. English is a key of your success.
Hello, teacher.
Good day.
How are you today?
I'm well.
I have any questions for you. Can you ask me?
Yes, I can.
Does English occupy an important place in our lives, and why?
In today's increasingly globalized and in the content world, the importance of English language is most important than ever for individuals looking to succeed both personally and professionally while learning professional success. In today's increasingly globalized and interconnected world, the importance of English language is more important than ever for individuals looking to succeed both personally and professionally. English is the language of interconnection. France is many industries. As a result, this work can specifically communication in English will have certificate over the peers on the market.
Good morning, teacher. Do you think that English is more or less difficult than your English?
Good morning. I consider English is one the best and easy language. However, it's easier than my mother tongue. There are very few letters and rules.